Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's 20-foot by 48-inch pool set with ladder and cover. Splash the day away in the comfort and privacy of your own backyard with this above-ground frame pool Summer Wave's 20-foot by 48-inch. It comes with a SureStep ladder, cover, ground cloth, and a deluxe maintenance kit, and a sturdy metal frame construction. To provide the setup comes easy also makes it easy to store during off-season. Product benefits: rust-resistant, galvanized steel frame, super durable triple-layer PolyLaminate PVC with polyester inner mesh sidewalls, exclusive all-in-one SkimmerPlus filter pump system with poolside attachment and chlorinator. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.